Hey there, future homeowners. Welcome to 503 West 63rd Street here in the beautiful North Shore area of Jacksonville. You won't want to miss what I'm about to show you. Imagine coming home to your very own oasis, a newly renovated gem that seamlessly blends classic charm with modern elegance. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a space that's been carefully designed from the flooring to the fixtures to create the perfect ambiance for making memories. This property boasts a large corner lot offering you room to breathe and endless possibilities. Picture yourself hosting outdoor gatherings, cultivating a garden, or just enjoying your own private sanctuary. Oh, and speaking of space, we've got a storage shed that's ready to keep all your seasonal gear organized. You're just a hop, skip, and a jump away from downtown and the airport, enjoying the best of city life while basking in tranquility. And don't forget, a leisurely stroll to the serene Trout River is at your doorstep. Here's the scoop. Stage to Sell Realty didn't just list this property, we made it shine. Professionally staged and photographed, every corner is set to impress. So let's take a quick tour. A separate entrance or office area, a living room, dining room, and kitchen. The floor plan uses all 1,100 square feet well, with a renovated bathroom and 2 large bedrooms. Let's walk over here and see that we have an indoor laundry room. Not every home under 200,000 has. And we have all new windows, so you'll have some great energy efficiency. Here's your chance. Don't let this dream slip away. Take the leap. Make this house your home. Call, email, or DM me. Your next chapter starts right here at 503 West 63rd.